What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So today's video, I want to kind of break down the differences between a margin account and a cash account. So a lot of you guys have been asking that question, so I wanted to make sure that you guys have that. On the WeBull platform, again, you can open two types of individual accounts. You can open a margin account and you can open a cash account. So a cash account allows you to day trade with settled funds. So what that means is that if you buy a stock and sell it and make profit, you cannot use that money immediately to buy again and sell that same day. If you do that, you get what is known as the good faith violation on WeBull. So that fund has to settle. It's need to take 2 business days. So if you, let's say you buy and sell and make let's say $100 profit, and you spend $1,000, so that was $1,100. You have to wait 2 business days before you can use that $1,100 again to buy and sell that same day. Otherwise, again, you'll be flagged for the good faith violation on WeBull. So this is example to give you. So the example is, if you have $1,000 settled in your cash account, you can only use up to the amount of 1,000 for day trade, which is correct, no matter how many times they are. The settlement for cash account is 2 business days. I know they don't really make it easy, but I'm just going to explain this again, like I did earlier. Basically, if you have $1,000, you have that in your account and it's settled, you use that for trading. You buy and sell. Once you sell, it takes 2 business days for that money to settle before you can buy and sell again the same day. Otherwise, you'll have to buy and hold and wait 2 days until that money settles before you can sell that particular position without a good faith violation. Pretty much that's what that means. Margin accounts allow you to borrow money against the value of the securities in your account. That's one big difference. And so here's the thing though, with a margin account, you can borrow the money, which is good. It gives you more leverage. But if you borrow money and buy and things go south for you, you not only lose your money, but you lose the money that you borrow with interest that you have to pay. So that is something that you have to be very, very aware of. Just don't go in there just thinking like, oh, I'm going to borrow the money and just sell, and what if things go south? So I do advise that you should only use the money that you have in your account, unless you are really an experienced trader. Do not touch it. So again, account types, net account value, day trade, margin trade, and short selling. So if you look here, cash account, unlimited, day trade, net value is unlimited, margin trade, nope. Short selling, nope. Margin account, so minimum is $2,000 from what I know. Day trade, you get 3 day trade in the 5 business days. Margin, so margin trade, no margin trade, and no short sellings. But when you have over $2,000 to $25,000, $2,000 to $25,000, yes, you get 3 day trades in a 5 business day. And then you get to margins up to 4 times, or overnight up to 2 times, and then you have short selling. Likewise, for a margin account where you have over $25,000, you get unlimited day trade, and then you get margin up to 4 times and overnight up to 2 times, and short selling is available. So those are the key differences between a margin account and a cash account. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Again, if you're new, you're looking to get started, WeBull is offering a promotion where they're giving you 2 free stocks to get you started, just for opening your account and depositing $100. You get 2 free stocks. So I'll put the links in the description below. Definitely go check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.